Hi there, this is Steve Miley, Market Chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now looking at the pound versus dollar and euro versus dollar. So cable spot FX rate in here, more negative in here throughout the second half of October, creating this kind of double top pattern through the 129.21 level. But our key level, that 129.21 level, was put in respect to this 128.95.94 platform support area. And the breakdown through both of these support areas in here, enough to shift that intermediate term outlook to more bearish, also taking out this trend line support that comes up here from August. So all of that signifying a more intermediate term bearish theme in here, being driven by both US dollar strength coming from this global risk off scenario that we're in at the moment, with equity markets on the back foot, selling off and remaining vulnerable. So the US dollar strengthening generally in that scenario, but also the pound weaker in here as well because of ongoing concerns around Brexit, ongoing concerns about the Conservative government and the stability of the political situation in the UK. So all of that putting downside pressures on the pound, and also the US dollar receiving upside pressures from the general risk off scenario. And we see risk now after intermediate term bearish shift for a push down to here 126.61, maybe closer to 125 as we go through late October through into going on into November. Similar but not quite as negative technical outlook in here for the euro versus the dollar. The euro dollar still very much in this broader range, 118.15 to 113.00 in here. Again in here since mid-October, a more bearish theme, primarily driven by US dollar strength again, and primarily driven by that risk-off scenario across global asset classes. However, also being assisted in here on the downside by euro weakness, and that euro weakness coming from concerns regarding the Italian budget deficit. So the combination of those two things pushing euro in here back on Friday very close to this key 113. Remember, this is a multi-month low in here at 113.00, and should we break down through there, and we do see real risk of that, even though we had a rebound late last week, we do see risk through 113.00 over here, and then we get a breakdown through there, and then we see an intermediate term technical bearish shift, and that would open up a far more negative theme as we go through into November. This has been Steve Miley, Market Chartist for ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.